Imagine waking up, picking up your Galaxy phone, and realizing it just feels different, faster, smoother, more alive, as if the device suddenly learned how to think like you. That's exactly what Samsung's One UI 8.5 is all about. Not just another Android skin, but a complete reimagining of how your phone connects with you. Welcome to Tech Insights, where today, we're diving into Samsung's most ambitious software update yet, One UI 8.5. Before we begin, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can get notified about daily tech updates that keep you ahead of the curve. Samsung is rewriting its own rules with this one. Normally, the company reserves major upgrades for its next big flagship launch, but this time, it's moving early, very early. Sources close to Samsung's development teams hint that One UI 8.5 beta is already in advanced testing, with rollout expected by late November 2025. That's months ahead of schedule. And if that timeline holds, this update might just be the most polished, feature-packed mid-cycle release Samsung has ever dropped. But let's talk about what's actually changing. The biggest highlight of One UI 8.5 is deep AI integration across the system. Samsung is no longer treating Galaxy AI as a separate set of features, it's now baked into every corner of your device. For instance, the AI Priority Hub automatically organizes your notifications based on importance, context, and your usage habits. If your phone knows you usually ignore social updates during work hours, it'll quietly minimize them, keeping only the essentials visible. The goal is simple: less noise, more focus. Then there's the new Smart Screen Sense, a subtle but powerful feature. Your phone now adjusts its brightness, refresh rate, and even color tone not just based on lighting, but on what you're doing. If you're watching a movie, it enhances contrast. If you're reading, it softens tones and increases clarity. Samsung calls this adaptive visual intelligence, and it's powered by on-device AI that learns your preferences over time. The result? A screen that feels more alive and responsive to your world. And yes, Samsung's famous Good Lock ecosystem is getting a major overhaul in 8.5. The modules like Navstar, Lockstar, and Theme Park are being rebuilt with smoother transitions and even more customization freedom. One of the most exciting changes is AI Theme Sync, which automatically adjusts icon colors, widgets, and even the always-on display to match your wallpaper, all in real time. Imagine changing your wallpaper and instantly seeing your whole UI transform in harmony. It's that level of seamless polish that makes One UI stand out from every other Android skin. Now, let's talk about performance, because this is where Samsung's engineers have gone all in. One UI 8.5 introduces something called Adaptive Resource Flow, a new framework that predicts your multitasking behavior. When you open multiple heavy apps, like editing photos while watching YouTube, the system pre-allocates memory and CPU power to the tasks it predicts you'll use next. It's invisible, but the difference is huge. Expect up to 20% faster app switching and noticeably better stability during long gaming or streaming sessions. Speaking of gaming, there's a brand new Game Optimizer 3.0 inside 8.5. It uses AI-driven frame prediction to eliminate lag before it even happens. Combined with a smarter thermal management system, your Galaxy device can now sustain high performance for longer without overheating. And for creators, the update introduces AI Super Record, a redesigned screen recording tool that automatically adjusts resolution, frame rate, and sound balance depending on what you're capturing, from gameplay to tutorials. But One UI 8.5 isn't just about performance, it's about emotion and experience. Samsung has refined every touch, swipe, and animation with what it calls haptic flow design. You'll literally feel your interface responding to you, smoother vibrations, subtle pulses, and even sound cues that sync perfectly with motion. Combined with the new cinematic wallpaper effects, where wallpapers come to life with looping 3D animations that react to your touch, the entire phone feels like a living canvas. The camera app has also undergone a quiet revolution. Beyond improved image processing, Samsung has introduced Smart Scene Adjust, an AI tool that can instantly detect whether you're shooting food, portraits, or landscapes and automatically switch the optimal lens, filter, and lighting mode. There's also an experimental AI retouch assistant capable of removing reflections, cleaning up low-light noise, and even adjusting subject posture with a single tap. It's like having a mini Photoshop built right into your phone's camera. Now let's move to privacy, because Samsung knows intelligence means nothing without trust. One UI 8.5 debuts Private Space Plus, an expansion of the secure folder concept. It allows you to create multiple hidden zones for different purposes: work, personal, or family. Each one is individually encrypted and can be opened with unique biometric data. Combine that with AI Threat Guard, Samsung's new real-time protection system, and your device can now detect suspicious apps or links before you click them. It's proactive security at the next level. multitasking also gets a major upgrade. Flex Windows, Samsung's new windowing system, now allows any app to run in a floating, resizable pop-up, no matter the device. Whether you're on a Z Fold 6, a Galaxy Tab, or a traditional S-series phone, multitasking finally feels natural and fluid. You can even save multi-window layouts and restore them with one tap, perfect for productivity or entertainment setups. And yes, Samsung is listening to its community more than ever. The One UI Labs section inside Settings will now feature early experimental features voted on by users. That means you can test future ideas, like AI-generated wallpapers or gesture shortcuts, before they officially launch. It's Samsung's way of saying, you shape the future of One UI. As for the release schedule, the One UI 8.5 beta is expected to hit the Galaxy S25 series, Z Fold 6, and Z Flip 6 in late November 2025. Followed by a stable rollout early in 2026, the Galaxy S24 series, Tab S9, and select S-series models will receive it soon after. If Samsung sticks to this roadmap, the update could coincide perfectly with the launch of the Galaxy S26, giving us our first look at Samsung's vision for a unified AI-driven Galaxy ecosystem. So, what does all this mean for Galaxy fans? One UI 8.5 isn't just about adding features, it's about creating an ecosystem that feels alive. It learns, adapts, and evolves with you. It's Samsung taking a massive step forward toward the future of AI-powered design, a phone experience that's not only beautiful and fast, but personal. That's all for today's deep dive on One UI 8.5. Which of these features excites you the most? The adaptive visuals, the AI upgrades, or the new privacy tools? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Insights for more in-depth tech explorations, leaks, and updates that matter.